Good morning, students. Today's topic is symbiosis and nitrogen fixation. As you know the meaning of symbiosis, symbiosis is an association between two organisms by which they mutually benefit each other. Okay, and the example for the symbiosis was lichen. Lichen is a symbiotic association between algae and fungi. Okay, algae and fungi's association is called lichen, where algae prepares the food for the fungi, and fungi, what happens to the fungi? Fungi help in the attachment to the surfaces, right? That means fungi give protection to the algae, and algae prepares the food for the fungi. Okay, that's why they are depend on each other. This is called association between organisms, and this is called symbiosis. Okay, now in today's topic we will learn about significance of nitrogen fixation. Firstly, we will learn about some more plants that shows symbiosis. Rice plant has normal roots. Which plant? Rice plant has normal roots like any other plant. Look at the roots of the rice plant. These are the roots of rice plant. Normal roots, right? But the roots of bean plant have rounded structure called nodules present on them. These are the roots of bean plant, and these rounded structure is called nodules. Okay, these are the nodules present on the bean plant roots. Plants like pea, beans and other pulses are called leguminous plants. These are called leguminous plants as they have nodules present on their roots. That's why we call them leguminous plants. They usually have nodules present on their roots. Nodules are formed by bacterium rhizobium, and these nodules are formed by a bacteria called rhizobium. Okay, that's why the leguminous plants and rhizobium shows symbiosis. Okay, how it shows symbiosis? Actually, what happens? Rhizobium cannot make its own food, so it lives on the roots of a gram beans and peas, beans, moong, right? These are the examples. In return, the leguminous plants provide food and shelter to the bacteria. Okay, rhizobium क्या करता है? They cannot make its own food, but जो leguminous plant है like gram, peas, beans, what they do? They provide shelter and food to the bacteria rhizobium. In this way, they have symbiotic relationship. Okay, next we will do nitrogen fixation. As we know that air contains 78% of nitrogen, okay, but plants cannot absorb that nitrogen gas present in the air. So what will happen? Rhizobium bacteria present in the root nodules of leguminous plants are able to convert the atmospheric nitrogen into soluble compounds. As nitrogen present in the air is 78%, but that nitrogen was not used by the plants. Then what will happen? The bacteria present in the roots of the nodules called rhizobium convert this nitrogen into soluble compounds, and that soluble compounds are called nitrates and nitrites. This is known as nitrogen fixation. Okay, when rhizobium bacteria of leguminous plants convert atmospheric nitrogen into किसमें convert करता है वो? Nitrates और nitrites में. That's why we call it nitrogen fixation. ठीक है? These soluble compounds of nitrogen can be easily used by the plant. Okay, these are the soluble compounds. Which are the soluble compounds? Nitrates and nitrites. They used by the plant. Now, importance of nitrogen fixation. Why we need it? This nitrogen fixation is important for the plants as nitrogen is important for making proteins in the plants, and protein help the plants to become healthy. Okay, that's why we need nitrogen fixation. So class, this was the last topic of our block 1, that is nutrition in plants. Thank you.